He's the cheeky one.
James.
He's vain but lots of fun.
Percy.
Pulls a